In this video, you will learn how to swap on OKX Wallet. First, open the OKX Wallet. Open the OKX Wallet on your mobile or on your browser. Make sure to log in using your credentials. Then, go to swap. On the main page, look for the swap button. This might be on the discovery, next to the tab. Then access the swap feature. Choose the network. Choose the network you want to swap on, such as Ethereum or BNB Chain. Select the token. Choose the token you want to swap from. Select the token that you want to swap to and enter the amount you wish to swap. Review the rates. The wallet to find the best price across multiple decentralized exchanges. Review the exchange rate fees and expected output. Confirm the swap. Tap swap or confirm. Approve the transaction in your wallet. If this is your first time swapping the token, you will need to approve your token first. Wait for the confirmation. Wait a few seconds for a couple of minutes for the transaction to complete. You will see a new token in your wallet once the swap is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.